Good morning. We're here taking a look at the Voron Cascade prototype with its creator.
Hi, I'm Doug. I'm on Discord as 120 Decibel. This is the Voron Cascade. It's going to be the first Voron CNC that we've released as a design team. It is a desktop-sized CNC designed to be able to cut aluminum, brass, and softer metals. It is designed trying to embody the kind of Voron ethos and guidelines in this machine. It runs has a working area of 275 in X, 220 in Y, 90 in Z. It is running MGN 15 linear rails. It is running 12 millimeter ball screws and NEMA 23 motors to ensure that we've got plenty of rigidity and torque.
Cool. So what size spindle is running on this?
This is a 110 volt, 1.5 kilowatt, 24,000 RPM spindle.
Okay.
It's become commonly known that within the smaller CNC routers, RPM is your friend because you can take faster, shallower cuts and kind of get through it rather than trying to do high torque, deep cuts that put a lot of emphasis on the rigidity of the machine.
Yeah, and I can see that you've got looks like a mist system integrated.
Yep. This is an option. I put it on there. This will be kind of a officially supported option that's not required. We just basically have a system that runs compressed air off of shop air on the side through a secondary regulator into a solenoid that then can allow the G code to turn it on and off.
Okay. And ball screws?
12 millimeter ball screws. Everything is fairly standard lengths. All the ball screws and linear rails are just 400 millimeters or 250, I think, for the Z.
Okay.
Excuse me. And a lot of that. There are 8 custom aluminum machined parts in here. I tried a lot to run with printed parts or extrusions for some of the structural issues, especially in the Z. But just could not get it to perform with the rigidity that I wanted to see out of this. So we are running some custom machine parts. However, they are very simple parts. They're rectangular, they got holes and counterbores, and that's it. There's nothing really super complicated with angles or anything else. All of the other components, motor mounts, such are 3D printed. So we're able to do the more complex shapes are all just 3D printed components done in ABS because the motors get kind of warm while they're working.
Sounds very nice. And I know this is still in prototype stage. You're working on maybe some kits down the road a little bit.
Yes.
And self-source options as well.
Yes, we have. We're showing it here at RMRRF. I really wanted to see what people thought of it, kind of let the world know that we've been working on it. The plan is for a release in late fall. It will have everything a Voron release has. It will have all the files, all the documentation, all of the 3D printed STLs, the full manual, all of that will be out there. We will hope to have a kit shortly thereafter. Again, we're early in discussions because some of the folks we're talking to didn't even know this was coming out. And yeah, hopefully all that will be available. We'll have more schedules soon.
Sounds very good. Well, thanks for the time, and we look forward to seeing how things shake out with it.
Thank you very much.